Hi, I'm Divyanshu. I'm a Group Chief Operating Officer for Brick Eagle. And today what we'll talk about is our aim of delivering 50,000 homes by 2022 and how we achieve there and why we believe it is possible. So if you look at our aim of 2000 by 2022, 50,000 homes selling every year, if we do that, we'll be probably the largest developer on this planet, right? And it seems very large dream for a startup company, but we believe we can achieve that, and we have a right ingredient in place to do that. The reason we are confident that we can do that is because we are basically working with the local entrepreneurs who have a deep local market knowledge and deep network of land bank, regulatory processes, and that basically which has been a bane of real estate sector in India, and they can solve that problem for us. What Brick Eagle will do is basically create an enabling platform. That platform will bring capital, will bring the best of breed business processes and some kind of quality control and design control, which basically allows each of these developers to deliver the world-class home at affordable prices. So that's basically a vision and dream we have. So where we are today for this dream to, why do we believe this dream is possible? Today we are selling 3,000 homes per year, and all we have today is just 4 developers in our network, right? 4 developers who a year ago nobody would have heard of, but because they came on to Brick Eagle platform, they managed to get the capital, they managed to get the support for various businesses process, and now we are enabling them business processes, IT enabling that so that they can scale. So with that group itself, we are generating sale of around 3,000 homes per year. We believe since these developers have been with us just for a year and a half, and they are doing their first project, very easily next 3 years we can triple their volume itself. What it means basically, from 3,000, these 4 developers itself can generate close to 9,000 unit sale per year, and our aim to go and find another 15 on them. So basically from 4 developer network will become 20 developer network. If I do the maths right, each of them, the 4 developers generating around 9,000 homes. If I have a 20, easily that will basically take me to close to 45 to 50,000 homes. And that's how we'll achieve it. This business model has not been attempted yet anywhere in the world. The reason for that is Brick Eagle can do that because we believe in the entrepreneurial energy of local developer, and we have a DNA to manage them, care for them, and kind of be a cheerleader for their success. That's the only way we think this business model can work. No individual developer can ever reach this number, but aggregating the local developer network, we can definitely be a number 1 in the country and in the world, and that's our aim. Thank you.